I think we need to get better copyright-free music. I don't know what the hell was going on there, but we had to stop that there. No more of that trash. That trash waiting room music. We're here. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. I couldn't deal with that anymore. I had to go. Let me just get Zoom set up here as well. Brian in the chat. What's going on, man? Alright. Cannot start video. Video failed. Yeah, it's alright. That's alright. Good evening, all. Good evening, Brian, man. What's going on? Happy Thursday, everyone. Copy invite link. Discord. I'll post in the link for you guys on Discord as well. We'll start this London session. Let's see. London session. Hey, Sammy. Hey, buddy. What do you need, puppy? What do you need, buddy? What is it? Alright. Enter. Alright, Discord, guys. The Zoom link is live. We'll get started about 5 minutes here. That's what I need to do. I need to... Let's get rid of that. How many people got on? 41 people. Got a few more tune in. Hello, Aaron. Hello, man. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Oh, look, you can see Sammy in the video. Look, buddy. You're on YouTube. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Let me just go let my dog outside because I think he needs something. He's hovering around me, which is unusual. So I'm going to go let him outside. It'll be 2 seconds. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on. All right, there we go. What the fuck? We're back in business. Hopefully you guys on YouTube did manage to catch the video I posted yesterday of the Top Step X update. I haven't received the account yet, but hopefully I can get it soon. Right, let's let the Zoom guys in here and we'll look to get started here. Alright. What's up, Zoom guys? Hiya. Hiya. Alright. Zoom guys are joining. Welcome back, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Move the chat over here. You got Goldie pushing down this morning. Initial push down on gold today, but I don't think it'll be too long-lived. Good afternoon, man. What's going on? Let's have a look here. Goldie. Top Step X. 34% people long. 66% people short. Yeah, man. Yeah. A lot of people. I reckon. Yeah, a lot of people are probably trying to short gold right now. But we'll break it all down here in a second. Daily's huge, man. So many highs. What time is it? 5 minutes. Let me just quickly have a look at the news here, see what we've got going on today. We got PPI and unemployment claims today for the US dollar, which will be very, very interesting. And then tomorrow, what have you got? Consumer sentiment. So yeah, you got two pretty interesting days here to come on gold still, which is good. Let's have a look at. I like using this one actually. Three people in the wait room. Let me let everyone in here. Let's have a look. I like to have a look at financial juice as well, see what's going on here. Where's my account? Put it in. Oh, I just removed someone by accident. Hopefully rejoins. What time is it? 5 minutes. Yeah, wait, a couple more minutes, and I'll start recording and breaking this all down for you guys. You had a nice sell-off in Asia from you guys on Zoom. If you guys managed to watch the market call, we talked about these Asia sells, and it's actually pushing down very well. Tom, what's going on, man? What up? What up? YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. We'll get started here in a couple more minutes. Let everyone join in, get ready for the action. I think we get some good volume today on gold in London, because yesterday ended up having such a strong close that I think we could get some moves in London. Had a strong close, but it had a very interesting close, and I'll tell you guys why in a second. Some pretty decent orders coming on time and sales today on gold. I changed my. I don't know if anyone else on Zoom watches the time and sales on gold. I'll briefly watch it. It's quite interesting to see orders coming in and out. I put the size filter on minimum like 15. I don't want to see anything less than 15. Right, I'll share it here. Here. See orders coming in at only 17. Move that down. Move this up. There we go. Yeah, beautiful. All right, I think everyone's pretty much here. I think we should start. Get the show underway. Let's do it. Let me just record the
recording in progress.
Zoom. Having a chance. Yeah, me neither. It's kind of my first time jumping on here as well. So, we will, hello bro, how are you? Yeah, good, thank you man, I'm good, hope you're doing well. We'll do a little bit of top down here on gold, because I think there's some important levels to be noting here on gold today. So if we have a look at the daily here on gold, let's clean everything off for a second. You can kind of see Tuesday came down, rejected once, re-grabbed Friday's low, and now Wednesday retested, didn't grab the lows, and kind of had this push back up. And the very interesting thing on gold right now is you look at this daily, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily highs that have all respected each other, which is fucking crazy. Last time we saw something like that, you had this 1, 2, 3, 4 completely retrace the entire move. So the fact that we have, 4 daily equal highs, if gold's going to have a real push back down and going to retrace some of this move, you're going to need to do something like this. The daily's going to need to come up, re-grab all of the highs before then being able to push back down. Exactly. Why's my mouse being weird? What? Why's my mouse being weird? Oh, there you go. Nah, what the fuck? Let me. Right, it's been fine all day. As soon as we jump on stream, my mouse starts going weird. Let me just change the battery here. Maybe it's that. Otherwise, we're going to have to put it in rice, I think. Why's that being weird? I'm assuming the battery's run out. Let me see. People are in the waiting room. Hey, man. Yeah, I might have to. Let me see. Let me see if that's better. Let's have a look. Alright, there you go, that's better. There we go. Now, what the fuck? Is it? My whole oh no, it's my whole computer's lagging. What the hell? Why is my whole computer lagging? Let me just check this on the stream. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Oh, it was completely fine there. That was weird. It just like everything just went black and just came back, and now it's working. All right, cool. Whatever. Apologies. Dropping a mouse in the pocket and jumping in the pool. Too far from the fob. No, I don't think so, man. I just looked. It was kind of lagging and everything, but the stream was fine. Yeah. It was my computer being weird. Apologies. But yeah, what I was saying on gold is it's very unlikely that you're going to see gold have a deep retracement without at least grabbing a lot of these highs. So the fact that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal daily highs is absolutely huge here. If you guys ever look for a time where gold has had a push down and respected like 5 highs, I think it's almost impossible. You always are going to get these top wicks re-grab the highs before pushing lower. And remember, gold's still overall bullish. So looking for longs up into previous daily highs, you're also still following the trend, and you're also still following the fact that you may keep pushing up. So the good thing about today is if we can get some longs today on gold, we're going to be exposed to, even if gold's going to have a push down, it's going to have to come and grab these highs before having this push. And obviously, if we're just going to break higher and just keep pushing up, then we're going to go long anyway. So in either scenario, from today into tomorrow, we're going to need to push up before going down. That's our bias for the day. Very simple. In any scenario of what gold's going to do today or tomorrow, you're going to top wick into all of these highs. So regardless of how the news comes out, that's where we're going to be looking to target. So that's the daily. You know, the thing is to note as well, you kind of have done the same on the daily. You kind of have 2 equal lows down there as well. So there's nothing to say. I would be surprised. There's nothing to say you can't do that first. I'm definitely not ignoring that. I'm still open to that. But I would be very surprised with the way that yesterday closed bullish to respect yesterday's high and just push down. I very much think that, you know, we'll do something like this. So if you kind of measure what that is on gold right now, up into yesterday's high, you're talking like 120 ticks. Incredible. A long opportunity right now. I just have a look here on the futures. Let me have a look. How did the previous 30 close? Oh yeah, you might be right, to be honest, man. Let's not rabbit on here for too long. Previous 15 did just close, grabbing all of these lows. Yeah, you might be right. You might actually look for a buy very, very soon. How did that 30 close? I'll do the rest of, yeah, look at that 30. It's almost exactly the same as the trade we took here on Monday. The trade we took on, Tuesday. Almost the exact same thing we're doing here right now on gold. If we can see this 30 flip bullish, we may actually have some buys here on gold. We're in the first 5 minutes. Let's have a look at this 5. 5's grabbing previous 5 lows. It's going to close in about 40 seconds here. If this reflips back bullish, you may see this drive back up. And you've just grabbed previous 5 lows, which is also very, very nice. What you got, 15 ticks will be your break-even point. You'll be looking for it to come much higher. Let me just see here. Futures. This looks like a good trade to me. I don't like how you can't do specific buy order amounts. Futures is so the futures break the highs around like 72.8. That 5 just closed, hasn't excuse me, hasn't flipped just yet, but that 5 also hasn't broken below the previous low. So we'll be taking the break at a 15 high, which is right there, and you'll be risking off wherever that you're risking like 7 ticks. Yeah, this makes sense to me. So I can afford to risk 7 ticks here. I would have liked to have seen this 5 minute just push down a little bit more. Let's have a look. So the previous 5 on the futures is slightly lower than what you have here. So look to take it off the break of the high on this currency. Oh, I'm already got tagged in already. I just got tagged in about here. Stop loss will be here. Move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. This trade will be based off. The 15 close, but my stop loss will be staying in below this low. So you're risking like 6 ticks on this position, which is very nice. 6 tick stop loss is very, very nice. Where's previous 30, because that will also be your break even. Right here. If we re-break this low, the 30 will come down to create a new low. So you don't want to have it any more than that. I'm risking like what, 7? Yeah, 6 ticks, which is nice. Very, very small risk right here. Very small risk. The only thing I wish you could do on Top Step X is remove these, like the buttons out the way. They're like so big. I have to scroll price over. Morning, good morning, man. Good morning. Short from 179. Very nice. What about Nas? Yeah, I'll have a look. I'll keep breaking down gold in a second. I just don't want to. I don't want to miss this move. I'll keep doing the top-down analysis in a second. I just want to see this. See this 15 close, because this 30 is actually looking very nice. You're at a very nice level of support. You have a lot of highs to come back and grab. You know, you can easily see this run all the way back up into there. But my break-even point will be these two highs here. I think it will come down to 58, 158. Where is that on the futures or the currency? 58's ages away. This is just a pullback into previous 30 highs. Same as the trade that we took here on Monday. Buying it back up into these highs before potentially going lower. How many contracts? I'm in this for 5 contracts. I'm only risking 6 ticks, which is very nice. So I can afford to go in this with a little bit more. This isn't the funded account though. I haven't got the funded account yet on Top Step, unfortunately. This 5 minutes going to close in 2 minutes. If this 5 doesn't close bullish, I will wait. I want this 5 to close above here in order for me to want to hold this trade. Yeah, overall, yeah, you definitely could come lower. But yeah, like I say, this is just a pullback for this 30 to re-grab some of these highs before potentially going lower. You know, I think you could see, you know, well, I mean, I've got daily highs to come and grab as well, but I don't think you're going to grab the daily highs in the first like 8 minutes of London, but who knows. 5, I don't want to manage too aggressively. This 5 is about to close in 50 seconds. If this 5 doesn't close bullish, we may have to manage. I would have wanted to see this 5 kind of start to drive already. We do have 40 seconds and we can't do anything. And I'll also be watching probably this high here. 30 seconds here on gold. Kind of just hovering around break even here. My entry's not that perfect, it's probably like around like there. There, break even now here. 15 seconds. This isn't how I wanted the 5 to close. I may have to cut this, I think. I'm at break even right now. See how this next 5 opens, 7 seconds. If I close it in the 15 rips, I'm not going to be happy. Already in. There's a bit of an average 5-minute close. Not the best. Not the best, not the worst. You do have a little double top here. I'm basically hovering around break even, like minus $50 on this little play. I'm going to keep my stop in here. I'm risking like 6 ticks. We can afford to risk 6 ticks. Because this is a pretty nice instant bottom wick here as well. How's that 15 looking? 15, did just grab previous 15 high. If it re-breaks this previous 5-minute low, like right now, I'm gonna close half. I'm gonna close half right there. Yeah, I just closed 50% at minus like 3 ticks. This is pushing down too bearish now, and my hard stop is staying below the low. So hard stop's only risking 100. There you go, out $120 out of that position. That 5-minute didn't close strong enough, unfortunately. Let me see here. That's a very quick trade. So I took like, to be fair, I took minus like $270, 5 contracts, pretty good. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, very well managed. The way this 5-minute didn't close above is just a bit meh. I really wanted this 5 to close above here and have this nice drive. But it's not off the cards yet. It's not off the cards. If I do get a re-entry, it'll be if and when this 5-minute can close. Where's my stop loss in gold? My stop loss was just below this this low here. But I closed 50% once it grabbed this low, because if you're going to grab that low, you're probably just going to grab this as well. So I closed 2 contracts at minus what, 3 ticks, and then I closed the other 3 contracts at minus 6. Well managed, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. That's awesome. Isn't it? It's a nice trade though, and it does still make sense. I wish you could change position to ticks instead of dollar on top zip X. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Let me just see how this 30 is looking. Yeah, this 30 still looking. As long as you respect this low, if you break this low, gold's gonna keep pushing down. Sorry, where we hit. If gold re-breaks this low, you're gonna keep pushing down. But you could still easily tap into here and then re-break the high. So if it does still look like it is gonna flip bullish, I will be looking to get back in here. The trade is very much still valid. It's valid until this low gets broken, or until you just close bearish. 15, yeah, 15. 15, yeah, previous 15 was nice. Look at that, wicked out all the lows. But the only thing is, you did actually, I don't know where I had that, you did actually grab previous 15 highs as well. Let me see. I don't know if anyone cut it at break even. I was debating it, but I just want to see if you could just quickly wick out, these highs here, and that would have been it. But yeah, minus. I'll admit.
Yeah, I have to something as well.
Tell me in time your chart checking delay. You should be able to see. Oh wait, you can see it here. Wait, let me see. There you go. So this is London time here. Let me keep doing the top down there. But yeah, pretty much today we are looking to see if gold can find some support and re-grab all of these highs. Where did we get to? 4 hour. You have also, yesterday you've had this lovely push up. You would be looking around. Potential next area could be around here. You may find some support here before potentially pushing back up. But yeah, I like all of these highs to be grabbed here on gold. You can kind of see, what time frame was I looking at today where you had so many equal highs? Yeah, on the 30-minute here on gold, before this push down yesterday and before this current push down, you never really grabbed any of these highs. So I do believe news today could send gold much higher, and you would be looking for some decent upside. Look at that, gold about to re-grab previous 30 lows, so very well managed risk there. Very, very well managed. But yeah, the next level of interest for me will probably be down here. I'll be watching this area that you can still tap into. There's still so many highs here to grab that if you do leave them open, it may take until news to see this pushback highs. That doesn't mean I won't look for sells in London. I just need to find some clear targets. If you break that 30 low, to keep pushing down to here. He's got like 16, which is, you know, which is not bad. But anywhere in here, you can kind of see this is going to be, it's going to be your range for the day. So you've broken back below it, retested once, twice, and now you're seeing this push back down. I'm going to mark on current 30 highs because I will be very surprised to see gold continue pushing down without grabbing the highs. The fact that for this, where are we? For this whole push down today here, the fact that none of these ever got grabbed, I'm just saying, did that grab it? Yeah, the fact that none of any of them 30-minute highs got grabbed, you could very much just see gold completely do this today. You can actually see some very nice upside. 270 mark on the futures. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. 270. Let me have a look, man. Let me have a look. Go here. Yep. That'll be a decent next target if we do start breaking these lows. Maybe scalp some shorts down into that. Won't be bad. The good thing about that little loss there is it's what we took minus. I don't know. We took minus like 7 ticks, so you know we'll make that back. Well, I took less than that, but we'll make that back in any setup when it does come in. That's the good thing about keeping your losses small. So we can kind of see you are 5 minutes just closes, no bottom wick. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, that 30's not looking too bad still. Took trade with you also. Yeah, nice. It was a good trade, a very good trade. It was the exact same as the one we took on Monday. You guys can see, literally identical. On Monday it hit like 17. Today it took minus 7. So I'm pretty happy with that. Oh man, my knees hurt. I did leg day yesterday for the first and last time this year. You I mean, you had just kind of. Sorry, man.
I forgot to comment back on the other chat yesterday with the leg day.
Yeah, leg day. Yeah, my first and last leg day of the year.
First and last.
I think it can't be the first. I don't think it's the first leg day of the year. That's terrible if it is. I don't think it is. It could be though.
Once a month you do leg day.
Yeah, once a month I think is good enough. I mean, I walk every day, so I feel like that's good enough.
I walk. Yeah. Those shoulders and those arms, you definitely work out.
I've been joking. Is this a full-time gig? Do you trade for a living or a hobby? Yeah, I trade for a living, man. Yeah, I've been trading full-time for like over 4 years. Been trading for total like almost 6. I've only been streaming here on YouTube for the past year or so. But I have obviously other things as well outside of trading, not just the community. Completely separate things. Walk every day to the car. Oh man, if this thing is, this is what gold can do. It can look so bearish in the last 10 minutes. You can start to flip up. So, you know, I will still look for this 30 to re-break its high. Now I will still consider going long here on gold. If you had stops below the 30 low, like how you should trade the Morningstar, you would still be safe here, but you have come very close to it. So if this 30 does give signs to the next 10 minutes that it is going to flip bullish, I will look to get back in. How's this 5 looking here? 5. Yeah, 5 has just left a perfect double bottom on the futures, which is not ideal. That doesn't mean it can't just grab the liquidity first. Breaks 1 minute fair value going bullish. Yeah, nice. Trading the 1 minute, very nice, man. 1 minute scalp. Alright, who's taking this 5 minute Morningstar play? Three tick stop loss. Some SMC stuff right here. Use kettlebells as a workout. No, I haven't really, man. I haven't before.
Tough.
Yeah, I bet. So we'll be waiting for it to break back above here. Break back above here. No bottom wick on this current 5, but you do on the futures.
On the 15, on 5 on 15.
Yeah.
Is that too much of a... Is that too steep of a trend line coming down?
Oh shit, where have we got? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Like this.
No, that one.
Oh, that one? Like from there to there?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think so. I think it actually may drive into lows one more time. Are you waiting to go long after candle closes? I will go long if this 30 reflips bullish, which is that point here. You've come so close to that low though, but you haven't grabbed it. You might not need to. And the 5 minute looks like a double bottom, but then you look at the 30, it's like, well, yeah, 30 is respecting this kind of morning star play. So if the 30 can reflip back bullish, yeah, I will be looking to take gold like back up into here, because like I say, the trade's still valid. The trade, even though I cut it at like minus six ticks or whatever, it is still valid. 15 closed nice and bearish, no bottom wick. Regrab the lows, instantly push them back up. Caught the long yesterday, went long from the central pivot point on the open weekly price. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Good to have you on the stream, man. Yeah, gold ended up having a lovely breakout yesterday. Broke out of this like London range that we were in. Came back above, retested, grabbed all these lows, and ended up just having a very, very nice push. A very nice push. Had a big push. If any of you London guys who haven't had a chance yet, I would highly recommend watching the market call I posted in Discord. Very, very key about how you could have got these longs. There's some big plays. Big plays. Let me go here. Hourly. Yeah, hourly's still looking nice as well. Like you kind of are creating some equal lows now. But yeah, even on the hourly, you haven't grabbed like any of these highs. That's why if you don't push up in London, then you know, news could send this much higher. The news is at, I believe, let me see, because I'll probably miss it again because these clock changes. Yeah, news is at 12:30 p.m. London time. 12:30 London time. You got PPI, which will be very, very big, and unemployment claims. I think you're going to see gold wick out some of these daily highs very well. Do you look at forecast for news? Well, that doesn't matter. Nah, I don't really know. You can, but nah, I don't. I'm just aware of what I don't care about news. I don't trade news. I just like to be aware of when it's coming out.
Hey, good Saturday, 10:30. That means I can just blow accounts every night now because I'll be awake.
Yeah, absolutely, man. That's what we like to hear. Yeah, because
the combines in 2 days or nothing, eh?
Yeah, because when the news came out on when was it, Tuesday? CPI came out on Tuesday, and I forgot that the US clocks had actually changed. I thought it was like pre-news, and I realized obviously US clocks have changed before London times change. I was here in Queensland, it doesn't change, which is actually pretty nice. So London times will be an hour earlier for us next month. I don't know why the clocks don't change here, but they don't.
Because we've got heaps of sunlight, mate, no matter what time it is.
Yeah, true. Yeah, true.
That'd be nice.
Could you check copper? I can have a look. I don't think I've ever looked at copper before. Copper. I don't think I've ever looked at copper before. Does it move similar to gold? Does it have liquidity grabs? Looks like it. Copper. C2. I won't drop any lower than Alex. I never traded it before, but you're finding some support and you kind of got some resistance here. You've already grabbed some highs and pushed back down. So you may just kind of play copper in this range. Like I said, I have absolutely no idea how it moves. I've never traded in my life. But you've wicked out the lows, held the support, pushing higher. You've grabbed the highs, broke back below and pushed lower. So kind of in no man's land here. Would be a deal. Let's see if we can Sheriff's Sun. Yeah, it would, man. It would. But then it's kind of nice to have. It's nice to have London times coming an hour earlier as well. So you missed it. Don't know if you took a trade, but most traders I know trading gold and took losses yesterday. Yeah, 100%, man. I didn't know. I didn't. Oh, is this gold gonna fuck it? Is this 30 gonna flip on gold? I didn't take any trades in London yesterday. You just went sideways the whole entire day, and yeah, a lot of people would have got blown up in this range. I didn't do anything. I sat on my hands and didn't do anything. Oh no, is gold gonna flip from here? There's no bottom wick on these past two 5-minute highs. I don't really like this now. I don't have anything in. Yeah, I'm not gonna put in this order just yet. We'll wait for the 15 to close. 15 closed bearish. It needs to close back above. This trade is based off the 30 here. Re-breaking the high and having that nice push up. But the 30 is going to close in like 3 minutes, so we may as well just wait for the 30 to close. Hopefully the next 30 gives us the bottom wick. We confirm the 15-minute fake out, and then we can look to get in. Like if we had our stop loss below 30 low, we would have been chilling there. I would have been pretty scared out of it though, to be honest. Maybe boom. Yeah, we'll wait for this to close back above. Ah, see, look at that 30 now. That 30 is looking. This is looking really nice here. That 30 is a beautiful reversal formation here on gold. It's a really nice one. 2 minutes. 2 minutes here on gold. 2 minutes. Do you know about the values are different? Yeah, I'm trading on the, I'm analyzing the spot chart, but I'm executing on the futures. I always analyze the spot chart because it grabs highs and lows more than the futures. So that's the reason these are different, because this is the XAU USD chart, the spot chart. I don't analyze off the futures because the spot chart grabs the highs a lot more. Have you just left a 5-minute double top again? No, see here's a perfect example right now. Currency has just grabbed, let me get rid of this for a second. Currency's just grabbed this high here. Futures chart's just left a perfect double top. And this grab of this previous high is really important for us. And if I was just watching futures, I wouldn't have been able to see that. Let's see. 30 is going to close in 1 minute here. 1 minute. Ranging the channel 5 minutes. Yeah, it is. It is ranging. But there's just so many. Look at that. Look how that 30's gone from looking so nice to in the last minute looking bearish again. There's just so many nice highs to come and grab before continuing to push down. I think it's going to be a news day today. I think I might have to stay up and trade news today. So many highs. So many highs. So, yeah, 1 minute. We'll wait till this 30 to close. Did someone say look at something else? I can't remember if I missed it. I think someone said look at something else, but I can't remember. GJ buys played out. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. 15. Yeah, 15 just grabbed all these highs. Gonna close in 40 seconds here. On the top step tilt here, 57% people short. No, sorry, 44% people long, 56% people are short. People are short from around 74.54, which is all the way. Must be nice. They got a great entry. 74.54, all the way back up there. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Let's have a look at this 5. 5 just come up and completely. Yeah, I think you're probably just going to continue to push down here in gold. Instant top wick on the next 5 minute. You may have just some sells into these lows if it's worth it. The futures the futures and spot are kind of gapping a little bit weird today. What would you have? I don't think it's going to be worth it. So you could have. The only thing is, where would you be looking to target? Like that support, maybe like down there. Break even at 2. Ain't fucking worth it. Down into there. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. The fact that you'd have to be break even here at like 3 ticks is up. What's the point? It's not worth it. We're not gonna get chopped up in this range just yet. It's fine. We got time. We got time here. I think that relatively, yeah, because this might be this target. Yeah. Yeah, where could, if you're gonna see a push up, where could news come and grab? Well, where's yesterday's low? Where's yesterday's low? Is that yesterday's low? What day was yesterday? Wednesday. Let me mark on yesterday's low, because although this daily has so many equal highs, you do still have some, equal lows here on the daily as well. There's nothing to say you can't just completely grab these lows and then retrace back higher. But I personally much prefer gold to just wick out some of these daily highs before this push back down. There's just so many to come and grab. Do you wait for London for opening trades? Nah, I take some before London. I can take some pre-London trades. It's a 5-minute back up here on gold. London sometimes can give more volume, but you can still get good pre-London moves as well. I'm not afraid to take pre-London moves. Oh, he did end up coming in. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
It's nice, but when I was looking at again on the chart about +5, it was quite close to the 4-hourly close.
Yeah.
No, I'd have to get up, but 4 to get on for the hourly 4-hourly close.
Yeah, 4 hours. So what time? Yeah, is that what time it closes? Yeah, 5. Yeah.
5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Now, so to be honest, I'd have to get on the chart, but quarter past up at 4.
Yeah. What time is London open? Base UK time zone. London open is at 8 AM. Yeah, 8 AM, man. Yep. 8 AM. About half an hour. How's this 15 looking on Goldie? Messy. Didn't even grab these lows. We wicked out the highs, never grabbed the lows. You can tell it's a news day. Looking not very nice. 30, yeah, not looking very nice. There's so many 30 highs to grab, man. So many. You may even just tap back into previous. Do you plan where to enter on news? Yes, I do. Yeah. Oh, I don't plan where to enter on news. I wait for the news to come out. You typically have like the false move of news, and then you grab the highs. So CPI on Tuesday, we were bullish on gold to come up and grab all of these highs. You guys go back and watch the stream from Tuesday. We gave these liquidity levels before the news, and then this opened, instantly pushed down, wicked to the lows, grabbed all of the highs, and then came all the way back down. But the guys in the community got buys on gold once the 5-minute flip bullish off the news. So you pretty much just wait for the false news first, and as long as you got clear targets before it, then amazing. Like here, this 5-minute here was an instant bottom weight grab in all of these lows, and as it flipped bullish, the guys just took like this part of the move, and that was it. And that's like, man, it's like 60 ticks in like 5 minutes. It's crazy. So I wait for the news to come out to plan entries, but my targets, yeah, they're already pre-planned before news. They're all pre-planned, man. Yeah, exactly that, man. Same liquidity targets as a normal day, yeah. Like Alan said, they just get hit quicker. What gold chart do I trade for futures? GCJ24 is the current contract for gold. GCJ24. Gold's still playing the range. Yeah, still playing the range. We'll wait for a little bit here. We're not going to force anything again just yet. We'll wait. We've got time. You are creating a lot of false support down here. So anyone who is buying gold is probably going to have stops below this low now. You've just rejected off the support 1, 2, 3 times. So I would imagine a lot of retail traders right now are probably buying gold here with their stop loss just below that low. So that's the reason I've marked on that low there. Let's have a look, Brian. Let me have a look at your chart. Oh, huge trend line. Nice spot, man. Yeah, nice spot. You can manipulate that a little bit more. Fake out that trend line a little bit more and you can see some very nice buys. Yeah, I like that clean chart, man. I like that. In this on NAS. Oh, nice. Let's have a look. Yep, nice, nice, nice. What's that, 15? Yeah, nice, man. I like that. I like that. Let's have a quick look at NAS here.
I'm looking at now as well.
What have you done? You got... What did you do yesterday? Not a lot. What did you... Where's yesterday? Yesterday... Yeah, you had a pretty nice sell-off yesterday, actually. Grabbed this little double bottom. Kind of respected that area. Push back up. Daily. Closed nice and bearish. Top wicking today. Yeah, and that's on the daily, isn't it? A very, 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 very messy range. Doesn't matter if you're scalping, but just as an overall look. Yeah, you kind of got another 4-hour double bottom down there. Some 4-hour lows here to potentially come and grab, but you may wick out these highs first by the looks of it. Oh yeah, nice, yeah. Grab the lows, re-breaking the highs, yeah. I like that, I like that. Intraday push up. Fake out, break back below this support, break straight back above. Nice push up. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that.
Don't get involved in swings with us.
Nah, hell no. Hell no. What's Goldie doing? None. There's so many equal 30-minute highs on gold. It's crazy. All of these levels I have marked on here are all previous 30 highs, which have all been respected. At any point, you could easily top wick into all of this. Copper's ready to pump. Give us the copper signals. We'll take the copper signals all day. We'll take our first ever copper trade. Can you trade copper on Top Step? I don't know. I don't know if you can. Can you? Let's have a look.
Really?
Yep.
What did you think to my Cyprus earnings year on year, Carl?
Yeah, it was good, man. How's it running?
It's good. I just started throwing so much money in Cyprus.
Nice. What you can.
Cyprus.
Yeah, Cyprus earnings year on year.
Nice.
Go on.
Go on, lad.
Are they clean?
Yeah, Joe had a nice chart.
You send in the chart to Cyprus. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good call.
You never know what it's called.
Gold's trying to push down here. I think you're gonna spike out this support pretty easily. Well, you got 40 seconds till this is gonna close. How's that previous 15 looking? Yeah, 15 looking like it's gonna drop. 15 would have been nice. Look at that. Grab the highs, all the way back up for the retest. Now you're about to break these lows.
71 is a lot of buyers on 71 and the future stuff.
Yeah. I see that, man. I see that. Did any of you guys on Zoom or YouTube trade much New York yesterday? You don't trade New York much yesterday?
I jumped on. I was so tired I couldn't do it yesterday.
That's all
I'll
good, man.
definitely be doing it today. But I just got a little scalp myself.
Nice. Oh yeah, you got some buys, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you got buys. Yeah. Yeah, nice.
Just targeted the highs, like a break of the highs, and I used the bookmark as another confluence.
Yeah.
And but I put my stop loss like 14, 15 ticks in profit.
Yeah.
Just trying to leave it to what it wants to do. And it came down, tapped me up, and then ripped to like plus ticks. I was like, oh, you bugger.
MY was very slow to start. Yeah, it looked like it. Yeah. Copper is on top step. Is very very low liquidity. Yeah, I did see it was on top step. Yeah, I don't know what it would. I don't know what the contract size is or anything like that. Might trade that break and retest. Yeah. Let's see how it shows weakness. Yeah. Found New York gives bigger moves, but have to wait 15 minutes after they open. Yeah. I when I used to trade New York, I still do trade New York, but yeah, I don't trade the open much unless I have news and clear levels. I don't trade the open too much. Yeah, wait for like the first 5 or like 15. I mean, on gold it's usually alright, but if you trade something like Nasdaq, trading the open, it's just not fucking worth it. It's ridiculous. It's just crazy, especially on Nasdaq. Small contract size, you can blow your account. Since I transitioned from forex props to futures props, I've become super scalper. Let's go trade drones. Yeah. Well, that's the good thing about trading futures is you don't have to deal with spreads all the time. You can get that good executions that you can afford to scalp. Like you see all these Instagram traders pretending to scalp forex with like 3 pip stop losses. Like, man, your spread's just as big as that. Whereas on futures, you actually can afford to. Where's that? Which one's copper? Where's copper? HG, yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, that's a nice volume list though. What you got there? So what's the most volume? Yeah, gold right now. Oh no. Yeah, S&P, Nasdaq, and then gold. Yeah, nice. I like that. Gold stocks are the craziest. Yeah. News usually seeking liquidity. Yeah, that's why it's good to have the pre-levels planned out, because you can spot the liquidity gaps and just trade them. Like CPI not last week, on Tuesday, gave some very, very nice opportunities from our pre-planned levels. And especially on gold, you always have your pre-liquidity levels planned out, and the news just gives you the volume. And like Alice said, just spikes into it quicker. Spreads are horrible on forex. I can't wait to fully move on to futures. Yeah, good man. Yeah, you won't regret it. That's for sure. You won't regret it. You can still make money trading forex, but yeah, not having to deal with spreads is just so nice. Just beautiful execution. No enter the position already like minus fucking $100. You just executing the position. So if we do get a trade today as well, another one, I will share my screen with you guys so you can see how good the execution is here on the Top Step X platform. Yeah, you can trade loads.
People yesterday had a bit of trouble with that yesterday.
Yeah, Aaron did in Discord, but at the same time mine was working completely fine. Which is weird. We're trading some soybean oil, soybeans, corn. Trade heating oil, platinum, everything. Don't be another chop day today, gold. Don't be a chop day.
It'd be good if Top Step X had a rollover period once it was released to everybody. You could change from Trader 8 to Top Step X.
Yeah, I agree, man. What is the liquidity level? Is it swing high and lows of liquidity or candle lows? It's just a level where you think most retailers are doing something before doing something else. Like the reason that this is a liquidity level right now is because I imagine a lot of people will be trying to jump in shorts here, stop loss just below that low, so that becomes the liquidity level. And the same as like if you look at gold on the 30-minute time frame, if gold's going to have a true push down, it's going to re-grab some highs before the push. Like here, you have a double bottom, you grab the lows, this is the liquidity grab, and then you have the push. So if you ever see a time on gold where you can see like on a push down that for however long the 30-minute has respected all of these highs. If gold's really going to push down, you're very likely going to see something like this before the push down. You're grabbing the liquidity. You're taking out previous high or lows before having the real move. So that's pretty much what we're looking at here right now, and exactly the same thing as gold on the daily. So many liquidity above all of these previous daily highs. Like seeing gold respect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 previous daily highs is insane, insane. Like insane as in beautiful opportunities to be grabbed. Very, very nice opportunities to be grabbed. Do you know if I buy a discount 50k top step from 49, does that mean the monthly resets are locked in the same price, or will it go back? No, it stays in the same price whichever you purchase it from right now, man. It stays in the same. If they change it back, you'll still pay the same, which is good. That's the good thing about it. You don't. Yeah, if it eventually goes back to normal, you'll still pay whatever you got it on. Love how you look at things to where I got my education from as we trade smart money. Yeah, nice. Wish I caught gold, but it was broke below VWAP. That's sideways. Yeah, it's pretty sideways now. I think we'll get some volume today. Well, I mean, you're definitely gonna have some good moves on today on gold because you got big news. I'm just hoping that London does give us some moves as well. Yeah, I think we might have to. I mean, you could take, if you really want, if you want some amazing signals. Not financial advice. No financial advice there. Purely entertainment purposes here.
That is entertainment. Then the real comes out. 3 grand.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. What a guy.
What?
What a guy.
He made 3 grand yesterday again.
Did he? Nice. Must be nice.
Yeah.
Must be nice. What's that?
I'm jealous of the car he's got.
What's that? 10 pips? I think it's that 10 pips. Yeah, nice.
What a guy, what a guy.
I know, it's crazy. So clean, man.
Genuine is no hit. Right?
Nah, not at all.
You know, it's just banter, but what is that? I would love to have his emotional control.
Yeah, 100%, man. That's what makes him so good.
Joke. I bet you he never gets in arguments with his missus, I said. He's just like, yeah, okay, cool.
Must be nice.
Okay, cool, yeah. Yeah.
Must be nice, eh? I just heard all 4 of your wheels.
Failed auctions. That's
You'll just see a positive out of it.
So yeah, well, win rate's still pretty high. So yeah, I'll take the L. He's still up overall.
Yeah.
I like that analogy. Double bottoms or double tops is actually failed auctions. That's how I learned them. Failed auctions get hunted. Nice. That's a cool way to look at it. Bitcoin hasn't calmed down. Yeah, what is Bitcoin still ripping? Is it still ripping? Surely not.
That's going to come down now, isn't it?
Yeah, Bitcoin to 10k. Bitcoin to 10,000 tomorrow, I think.
You'll see a lot of homeless people next week.
I'll draw it just in case no one knows what I'm on about.
Yeah, I don't get it.
That's alright, man. I got you. There you go. And then what you'll see is top wickens there. And then we'll
No,
continue pushing
no,
down.
try not be anywhere near. No, that's
Then
by my. If I enter, it's not going to be anything.
No one knows. Aaron's got the special cameras. When there's more volume, they get better.
come on, Gold, do something.
We asked them mostly.
Gold, please, can you give us some volume today? 4x, God says.
Maybe we need to bring Sonny in. See what he reckons.
Yeah, he's outside. That's not a good point. When I go let him in, we'll see what he's got for us today. He usually full margins news.
Does he love the new guys?
Yeah, he is. He's loving it.
Any snakes around there?
Nah, not really. Nah, I haven't seen any so far.
Okay.
Luckily. Wait this out. Alright guys, give me 5 minutes to go run to the toilet. Let this chill for a second. And see what we get in this London Open as well. 2 seconds.
Look at the week. It's mad. It's just been horrific. I do want to look at it as investment and long term.
The bean's pushing.
What is the equivalent to GJ futures? Let me show you, man. Let me show you. I got you. Got you already covered. Where are we?
Head and shoulders there.
Got you covered here. This there. You go, man. That video there explains it. How to trade like pound yen futures and stuff like that.
On head and shoulders. I'm sorry.
No, you go. I'm fine right now.
I'm just saying that still on the investment with US 100, that it's a nice head and shoulders there. And over from that head and shoulders to the highs is like 1,000 ticks, perhaps, whatever. And even on a 0.10, that's a lot of money.
Let's have a look at this. Oh, nice, Mark. Nice, man. Oh, 1,000. Oh, very nice. Solid day. When was that yesterday?
And then you get, yesterday.
Nice. How do you see it like that? Is that on Top Step X?
Yeah, you click the little, it's really cool. The little, under the TV icon, there's one that says performance stats, and you can go daily P&L, gives you a
Ah.
and then day stats. And grid.
Oh, nice. Yeah, nice.
You are.
Yeah, nice. I like that, man. It's clean.
What? Oh, is it?
Alright, you get muted. Yeah, you get muted then banned. Last chance.
You know, shouting lunch menu on Zoom. When you guys want, send me your order.
Let's go up to
Yeah,
here.
NAS can be good, but it can you can, if you're managing, say you have 2 or 3 trades go against you in a row, you can do $600-700 down, and then anytime you do it down, because of the, how it takes your unrealized gains as a daily loss limit, which can be annoying sometimes, it can just take you out for the day, like in an instant.
How many contracts are you trading on this?
That's 2 contracts mostly. There have been times when it's something I'll add into it and bring my profit down, but no more than 3 max. I always go in with 2 and then I usually look to add 1 or 6 running in that, which is $10 a tip, which is why I think it moves so quickly. But cool.
I like how instead of saying take a piss or shit, Aussies they say use the toilet. Maybe it could just be me. Come on, Goldie. What are you up to here? Hourly's about to close in 3 minutes. We're going to get this London Open. I think the hourly made top wick into these highs and then grab these lows. I still believe you're going to get a little intraday push up and then you're going to grab these lows here on gold. Is NAS moving cleaner today? Still here? Yeah, nice man, nice. Nice push. 26, yeah, beautiful man, beautiful.
So I don't know if that's one contract above your honor, so pick my exit point wisely.
Yeah. One is one's good on this as well. Oil pushing up. Yeah, lovely push, man. Lovely push. Continuation play there. Grab the lows, re-break the highs. Push. It's nice. Do you ever try to trade with the downward trend that is shown here? I've been thinking this Arvo decent luck, but I think you go for the bigger moves and more confirmation. As in, like, will I keep following this downward momentum? Like, will I keep selling it? Is that what you mean, man? The only way I will trade with a downward trend is when you get like stuff like this, where you come up, grab previous highs, then I'll get the continuation. Or once I've had liquidity grabs, I'll be trying to get it from down here. So these were our liquidity highs and lows from Asia today. You grabbed the highs and then came down and grabbed all of our lows. But you know, if I wanted to keep selling gold today, I could only keep selling it once you start grabbing some previous 30-minute highs. So you create an instant top wick there on gold. Hi, buddy. Yeah, it needs to come up and have some liquidity grabs of, if I just go on this chart here, too many charts open. Yeah, I have to see some previous 30 highs grabbed for me to take the continuation back down. That's our liquidity continuation play. Gold's still pushing up here. You've got these highs to watch. These highs are of interest. If you start getting back above them, could you see shorts back down there? It wouldn't be too bad actually.
Anyone looking for oil?
Oil. Let's have a look. Oil.
Well, I've been liking oil recently, haven't you?
Oil. Yeah, grabbing them highs. Pretty bullish. Looking to go short. Possibly. I'll only go short once we grab these highs. I imagine most people are probably trying to short right now. Stop loss just above this high here. So if we grab the highs, yeah, I will start to look some shorts. Grab the highs and close back below. Take a look at the hourly here on gold. You've just rejected the lows here, but you just left two equal lows. So if you're going to get some shorts, it's probably actually going to be above previous hourly highs. Yeah, which is that one there. So maybe once you grab previous hourly highs in that area, you can start to look for some shorts. Or if you just keep pushing down from here, then buys once you grab these lows. Just need to see, either just need to see the highs grabbed so we can take some shorts, or the lows grabbed so we can take some longs. That's pretty much all we're trying to do here. Yeah, ideally this comes up and grabs these highs. This is, you know, the first 2 minutes is London Open here as well, so hopefully we can see some volume, but I'm not looking to get chopped up in this. I will not get chopped up in this. It's not worth it. If we grab the highs, amazing, we'll look for the shorts. But anything in here, not touching it. So that's all we're looking for. Boom, and then boom. Or boom, and then boom. And then boom, and then boom.
I think really created like a clear sort of range of liquidity. Like there's a few different ranges that aren't super clear now.
Yeah. I agree, man, I agree.
I mean, it's the downside, nothing else going to take it. You know, you really play this sort of choppy range that would.
Yeah, especially with news later on as well. I think news is going to give some decent moves today. The more highs you leave, the more likely you could just see news just completely retrace. Come on, gold. Come on, man. What's that, man?
Nasdaq's starting to run now, but it's happening very fast.
Nice. Yeah. Grabbing some highs. You got a trend line like this. Oh, there you go. You just grabbed them highs there on gold. You just wicked out them previous hourly highs, which is good. So now I just want to see like a bearish close. This is pushing down within the first 15 seconds here, so don't chase it just yet. It's not going to move that quick. But yeah, you've just grabbed them previous hourly highs with 3 equal hourly lows. So this is starting to look quite nice here. So this is how you get them continuation plays. You just grab this little 5-minute double bottom. No GJ on futures, only GP futures. Yeah, no. You don't trade GJ, Zach. You just trade the pound or the yen. You trade pound or yen futures, whichever is the cleanest setup. Sammy's watching me. Sammy's looking for some signals. I think he doesn't know what to do. Yeah, he's trying to get some.
This is another now. You know your double top there. On you get 2169. On my chart, that's been taken out.
Goldie. Grabbing the little 5-minute double bottom. If I do get some shorts into these lows, I want to see it actually close below here, top wick, and push down. I need to see it actually close back below this level now that we've just grabbed these highs. Otherwise, you could just break above, be retesting, grabbing the lows, and then just keep pushing higher. So you don't want to get trapped on the wrong side. Wait for it to actually close below. Look how messy this 15 is here on gold. So why exactly are you looking for it to hit those highs? Because that's just how gold moves. If gold's going to have a push up or down, it's always going to come and grab previous highs and lows. So all you're doing is just marking on previous highs and lows. And that's going to be your area where gold could easily tap into here before pushing down. So then you take advantage of the buys up. You know, if gold here has a little double bottom, grabs the lows, pushes higher. So if you ever see a time where gold's pushed down, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 previous hourly, or five previous hourly lows have been respected. That's not how gold moves. If gold's going to have the big push down, then you're going to come up, re-grab all of the highs and then push. Same on the 30. You're just starting to now grab some highs, which is good. But before this little push here, you had respected so many 30 highs. That's why I think today, whether it's before news or after news, you're going to see gold grab a lot of these highs here. Be watching all of these highs to get grabbed. Let's see, 5 minutes still pushing, 5 minutes still doji. So the 5 minute, exactly the same as what we said in the hourly. Just grab these little equal lows. I'm rejecting, so if we want to see some shorts, we have to see it close below this little minor support here, and then we can consider some shorts. The only thing that is slightly annoying about the Top Step X platform is how big the, you know, the orders are, like in front of your screen. I wish you could kind of move them out of the way. Like when you put in a buy and sell stuff, it's like almost right in the middle of the screen. I wish you could hide them. On the Top Step tilt, 53% traders are long, 48%, 52 long, 48% short. So it's pretty, you know, it's pretty 50-50 right now. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. It would be nice if you could just move out of the way a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, big news today, man. Yeah, PPI, retail sales, and unemployment claims. Big day.
Participating in that one,
Yeah, man.
what
What in?
needs to be good, you bearish, and it just.
Yeah. 100%, man.
There.
And what indicates which way it will go? Well, if it needs to grab the highs, then long. What happens after that, I don't know. I don't really worry about that too much. Depends if it's overall bearish, but if I think gold can come up and grab previous highs, I buy up into that, and then that's my trade pretty much. If I then get the sells back out of it, amazing. But I don't really worry about that too much. You can see here, there's just so many areas to come and grab. Why trade gold when NQ has better volume and movement? Well, that's better movement in your opinion. It's a bit of a stupid statement. Who says it moves better? You? Because I don't. Just because it has more volume doesn't mean that's better volume. That's a stupid thing to say. Like someone who says to me who just trades pound futures, why do you trade gold? Why not trade pound futures? It moves better. It's like, yeah, well, maybe for you, not for me. I don't give a shit. For me, Nasdaq doesn't move anywhere near as nice as gold. Might have moved nicer this morning, but that doesn't mean it moves nicer overall. But if it moves nicer for you, then just trade that. Gold moves very nice for me, and very consistently. Gold is much more consistent than Nas. If you think that's nice movement, then amazing. Hey. Yeah, Nas is pushing. Do you still got your longs, Ross?
You know what? I was trailing and it whipped me out, even though it didn't take a 5-minute load.
Yeah, solid push, man.
I managed to get it, which is nice. Thanks for that run.
Nice. Where do you get it from?
Took a little, got it from that second 15 that Ross took it from the next one, 391.
Yeah, nice.
But on one of my other top set accounts, I got chopped up a bit on the open, so.
Yeah.
Which is what nice, but you've got to manage it carefully.
Yeah, 100%, man. Check the past 5 minute. Yeah, yeah, you can see gold's moving nicer. Yeah, now on the 5 minute. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop trading gold and start trading Nas because it's moving nice in the past 5 minutes. My trading career isn't based off 5 minutes. Overall, gold moves nicer to me. I don't trade anything else, only Goldie. Traded Nas plenty of times before, but not anymore. It's just people ask just stupid questions, Brian. Ask stupid questions, get stupid answers.
I just don't get the ones that he's obviously a Nas trader, but then he's tuning in to
Yeah, I know.
respect.
His restroom break was a margin call.
That's my time.
Past 5 minutes. Past 5 min time, lots of candle liquidity grab, but why no take trade? I've just said it like 3 times. If I'm gonna take the trades, it needs to close below this level. I literally just said that. If it closes below this level after grabbing the highs, I will look for these shorts, absolutely. I can't read that out loud. You can go comment it if you want. Hello, buddy. Sammy's just sat here.
My accent, no.
Speaking of aircon, yeah, let's get the aircon up. It is quite hot here, actually.
No.
25 degrees. No wonder we're raging today. 25 degrees. Get that down.
Get in the truck. Paolo's getting fully.
5 minutes still respecting that support. You can't. Yeah, you can't take. You can't take the sells. If you take sells before it closes below this low, if it just breaks above and retests just push high, you're gonna look really stupid. Because it's just break right now. You know, although you think it's a liquidity's grab is never confirmed till it actually breaks back below the level. Otherwise, it could just be a break and retest to push higher. Once it does close back below, amazing, then you take it. That's when the liquidity grab's confirmed. Right now, this isn't a confirmed liquidity grab. It's just grabbing a previous high. That's the key with trading liquidity grabs. You have to let it close below a level and break out. Otherwise, if you just predict liquidity grabs all the time, you just get stopped on the wrong side. That's the real key. What's this? What's tilt up to? 55% long. Nice one. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. Good trade, man. No, no, it must be nice. Oh, stunning, man. Stunning. See you, man. Enjoy. I mean, you could consider the flip of the 5, because if the 5 flips bearish, it's likely gonna break it. Then that's something you could take if you really wanted to. But I'm just not looking to get chopped up here. If you measure this little range, it's a 7 tick range. Once you do break out, you're gonna get more volume. I'm not, because we're on the 5 minute here, watching this so close. So you zoom out. The past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10, 15 candles haven't gone anywhere. So I'm just not looking to get too chopped up. And we'll get stuck on this sideways price action. You want to wait for the volume, like yesterday in London. We didn't get trapped in any of this crap where most retail traders are going long and then going short and then going long and then going short, like blowing up that P&L for the day. All we do is wait for it to grab some lows, break out, like here, and then amazing, then you take the push. But you don't get chopped up in these ranges. Looks like a no trade session for me. Take it off. So you guys, enjoy. See you next time. See you next time, Andrew. I was still sticking around. I think we're going to get a breakout today on gold. We just need to wait for it to actually break out.
It's only 15-minute candle so far, so.
Yeah, it's only 18 minutes since London Open. We got time here. We got time. But yeah, I do believe a lot of people will be trying to, will probably be in buys from here like this on gold. Stop loss just below this low. So to grab these lows does look very nice. We just need a volume, that's all. You can have the perfect technicals, but if you don't have the volume, it's completely pointless. Completely useless. 5 minute high in the futures is just chopping. I might start trading NAS. I didn't think of that. Why didn't no one tell me that? What's oil up to? Oil.
Must have blown there how some people can trade in that as well. 15, 20, 50 contracts there.
Yeah. Mental.
It's mental, but sometimes it's mental.
Trendline break. Nice. See, there you go. That's exactly why you don't take the shorts yet. You take the shorts before it closes below a level, you're literally instantly getting stopped out. It's just breaking above a level and retesting. This liquidity grab isn't never confirmed until it actually closes below. So if you took the shorts here, you shorted at a level of support. Doesn't make any sense. Fair enough. 5 tops at combine accounts. If I'm not in profit on the account, should I blow them before billing date so they reset starting balance? I mean, if it's going to roll over anyway, yeah, I don't want to tell you to blow your account, but it kind of does make sense. If it's just going to, that's not no. There's definitely no financial advice. I'm not telling you to blow your account, but I mean, if it's going to roll over anyway, and you do have PPI and unemployment claims today. NQ move more goals in the same spot. Yeah, NQ is moving. NQ to the moon. Gold waking up. Yeah, gold's starting to wake up here. We are starting to wake up. She's waking up on the wrong side of bed though. We want to see this dip down, but yeah, she is waking up. How many is this off this little level? What you got there? Like what? 12, 13? Not bad. Apply, in my opinion, better chance getting fun featured on a onshore track. Yeah, I mean, if it's going to roll over anyway, it kind of does make sense, I guess. I'm not going to tell you to blow your account, but I can't give that advice, unfortunately. But I wouldn't force anything just yet. If it's going to roll over like today or tomorrow, you may as well wait till closer to the news. yeah, I know, man. Some good ones in there today. 30-minute here on Goldie, broke back above, bottom weight pushing higher. 15. If the market structure shifts, yeah. If you have clear targets, which is up here, yeah, definitely. You just want to see at least a closure on like the 15. You know, if the 30 minutes ranging and the 15s ranging prior to this closure, you have to wait for it to actually close. Yeah, you still have like all these targets up here, so absolutely. Soon as it closes, you're laughing. Do you take multiple time frame? Closer for entry. Yeah, I use all time frames. I mainly execute off the 5, but the trades are based off whatever the 15 and 30 are doing. David was on the website. I know. No way, man. No bottom wick on this 5. You're only 22 minutes into the London Open. You got plenty of time. There's no doubt you're going to get a nice position today, but you don't have to force it in the first 20 minutes here. And remember, you do have big US news today, so don't blow up before that either. Oh yeah.
Where's Alan?
Hmm?
Alan left, he's gone, is he? Oh dear.
Oh, dear.
I was trying to say, I miss you. I just think it's going to be good.
What do you use? Do you got closures? You take the trade. Nah, for me to get an entry, I'll show you the one on. Well, we took trade Monday and Tuesday. I'll show you the Monday one. Where's the Monday one? Where are we? Where is it? This was yesterday. I'll show you the Monday one we took here. Where are we? Monday. No, Tuesday. Sorry, Tuesday we took this position. Where is it? Here. Yeah. All I pretty much. This is the one we took on stream. All I pretty much want to see is it grab some lows and then close back above, and then I take the break of the high, and play it up into the next level of liquidity, and that's pretty much it. So as soon as you get the liquidity grabs, a breakout, and then boom, we're in. Exactly the same as why I didn't short this on gold, and if you did short this, you're getting stopped out. Because although you've had the liquidity grab here of these highs, you haven't closed below. So if you take the shorts, you just get stopped out. You're predicting liquidity grabs. Liquidity grabs are never confirmed till you actually close back below. Otherwise, it's just break above, retest, pushing higher. Same as the one we took on. Was it Wednesday? Oh no, Monday. Sorry, we took a trade on Monday and Tuesday. So that was Tuesdays. Where was Mondays? Did I keep it on here? I don't know where it's gone. Is that all this the fucking same position? Yep. That's good. Yep, nice. 3 of the same position, that's good. Love that. The one we took on Monday, we took the sells. I closed it early. But this was, based off respecting this resistance. Grab the highs, close back below the highs. then had that beautiful push back down. So we took shorts around here. I closed this early, but that was the entire Monday play. And you actually could have, your best entry would have actually been here. Once it closed back below this little minor resistance here, grab the highs, close back below, you want to be shorting from here. And then you get that play down into the next double bottom as well. So that's, yeah, my entry is just, as soon as I grab a level, break back above, then boom, amazing. That's pretty much it. But the liquidity grab is the most important part. Gold's still pushing up, but you know, if you get a strong 30 close, you know, I will consider if we get some longs. 30's all of a sudden closing quite nice. I think that's for explaining. Yeah, no problem. The people who said gold doesn't move, where have you gone? Let's have a look. What's Naz up to? Naz. Oh my god, Naz has moved. Naz has just gone bullish and then bearish and then doji. Why do you guys trade Naz? That's crazy. I can't believe anyone actually trades Naz. Why do you guys don't trade gold? I don't understand. Alright, now you're going to have a nice buy here on gold because this rejection of this resistance is going to be a retail trap here. So now you're creating liquidity up here. So now we can look for buys up into these highs. Anyone who's short in gold here, stop loss is going to be above that high. So now that we're creating that liquidity, amazing. If we come down, grab the next 5-minute lows, we can look for these longs. I like this now. I like this. You've broken out as well. So all you see is now grab previous 5-minute lows and then boom. Back into the highs. Or even, you know, imagine a lot of people are also probably, a lot of people probably tried to short this resistance here as well. Anyone who did short this resistance, where's their stop? Probably just above that high. There's a decent amount of reasons for gold to now come and grab this high here. Let's see, one more minute here. This is going to be the 30 close. So if the 30 close, nice bullish here. Instant bottom weight. There's our buys from earlier. That was the buys we wanted earlier on this 30-minute flip. You're now actually flipping. You'll flip and flipping here. Next 30, open bottom wick. Buys up into these highs here. 20 points. Nice, nice, nice. 20 points is good. Good job. Amazing, amazing, amazing. 20 points is great. Good work. Very nice work. Thanks for explaining. Yeah, no problem. Of course, of course. I'll show you. If we do get another position today, I'll show you executing it so you can actually see as well. Let me get rid of this. Clean this up for a second. Kind of messy here. We'll mark on this 5-minute low once it actually does chill. Let's see, so the 30 has come up, so all these previous 30-minute highs we spoke about, these are now getting grabbed, which is beautiful. This is what we wanted to see within the first, like, open here as well. When we took the buys from, where was it, what, here? This is the push up we wanted to see, now it's actually finally coming in. There, like 14 ticks, not bad. Not bad, not bad. 6 seconds here. We're going to get 30 close in 6 seconds. Instant bottom wick, and you may have a buy into the hourly. Into that hourly close. Instant top wick. Not ideal. You want to see these lows grabbed. And then if you want measure it, anywhere below here. 7, fucking hell. So you're grabbing the previous 5 lows now. If you re-break the highs, you may see this drive. This is the area to watch though. So if it's not, if you don't think it's worth it, don't take it. But do you think it's worth it? Makes sense to me. So you will be looking for a buy once it re-breaks its high. If it doesn't re-break its high and it keeps pushing down, that's fine. You'll just continue to range. But if it does re-break the high, you should have a nice push. Because you have just kind of tapped into there. You know, we're very, very zoomed in here when sometimes you just have to take it for what it is and actually just zoom out for a second. We're not. We ain't doing anything. We were trending better in the Asia shorts. So starting to reject there. Grabbing the lows, what would you be risking? You'd be risking. You would put your stop loss there at like less than 10. You're trying to target there. You're just about getting a 1 to 5. Are you position? No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. As Brian said, I'm not. I'll show you when I do. You can. I just don't know if it's worth it because you have to manage here. Whether you like it or not, whether it's 5 pips, 10 pips, 100 pips, you have to manage right at this high. Even Sammy's pacing around. Sammy's stressed about gold today. Yes, Sammy doesn't even know what's going on with gold today. Hey, buddy. Well, watch out, buddy. Come on. Up. Up. Come on. No, you don't want to jump up? Come on. Huffing and puffing at me. Oh. Do you think while trading gold, comparing it with the USD is good or bad? Because you say it's indirect comparison. DXY goes down, gold go up. Does it make sense? What do you mean? Sorry, let me see. Do you think while trading gold, comparing it with USD is good or bad? Oh, you mean like analyzing gold and then like analyzing the DXY as well? Is that what you mean? Like, do you think it's? Are you asking if I think it's worthwhile to analyze both? Time for dinner. See ya. Enjoy. See you next time. Yeah, if you mean do I think it's worth analysing DXY? No, I think it's a complete waste of time. It's not going to tell you anything ahead of time. I don't need to look at the DXY to see if gold's going to be going up or down. It makes no difference to me. Absolutely no difference. The DXY is literally just Euro USD. It makes absolutely no difference. If anyone can justify a way of how it does make sense, I'll be happy to hear it. I used to analyse the DXY and I just stopped because I realised it's just completely pointless. It's not going to tell you anything ahead of time, so what's the benefit? Like I say, you don't need to offline trade safe. Enjoy. Like I say, it doesn't tell you anything that you can't already see on gold. You know, like I wouldn't need to look at the DXY to see it's probably bullish because gold's going down and the US dollar's strong. It doesn't bring any benefit personally. I just think it's a waste of time. It's just something else to look at. It's just an extra thing to get yourself confused on. Like I said, I used to always look at the DXY when I used to trade like all of this. I used to trade all of this bullshit. You can't see it, but I used to trade all these crap currency pairs. I used to look at the DXY then, but it's like now it's like nah, I don't care. Doesn't benefit me in the slightest. This is my personal opinion. It's just something else. Like if you do backtesting, are you backtesting the DXY whilst backtesting gold? It's unlikely. So what's the point in doing it live? Maybe an unpopular opinion, but yeah, I don't think it makes any sense. Five minutes still pushing down. Can you analyze oil? Is it possible to go short? May as well have a look whilst gold's ranging. Have a look. At oil. Possible to go down. Yeah, we just had a very nice push down. Look at that. Tapped back into $80, instantly pushing back down. You got all this resistance to the left. Would you want to short right now? Not really, because you're kind of at this level. The shorts have already come in. You start closing back below there. If you've got downside targets, then yeah, you could definitely look for some shorts. But it's already had the the push. You may get some shorts back into like what, this area maybe. You may get some shorts back down to there. But I'd wait for it to close bearish now, because this 15 left a big rejection. So you want it to at least break back below here. Otherwise, if you sell it now, you're selling it at this level. Buying gold? No, not yet, not yet. It doesn't make sense to me just yet. You've had this nice push here. You've had this nice breakout, well, what looks like a nice breakout into doji, and see how this 5 closes. And that's what you did all of yesterday. You looked like you were going to get these nice breakouts, straight back down. And that's why we didn't get chopped up in this yesterday. And that's kind of why I'm not really looking to get too chopped up in here yet. If you do start breaking these highs, yeah, it is on the cards. But you basically on gold right now, you have a double top here and you have a double bottom down here. So it's kind of like any man's game as to where it can go. Although I think it's going to grab the highs. It's 50-50 in this range. Until it grabs the highs, I'd rather go short, or if it grabbed the lows, I'd rather go long, like we always do. But here it's kind of, yeah, it's kind of any man's game. All right, give me 2 sets, guys. Put dog heads. Is this going to finally flip? If it does re-break the high, you could see some buys if it re-breaks this current 5-minute high. So you'd be looking for a buy stop here, and you would be risking off that low max. Because you've got to be wary of this high. As soon as you grab that, you will have to manage. We are looking to play it back up into, like, ideally here. And where was the other 30? Like, what, all the way back up here as well is the ideal area we are looking to target. If this 30 can reflip back bullish, you'd be looking for like something like that. Not a bad play. But only if it re-breaks its high. If it doesn't, if it breaks this low, you're just going to continue to range. But if it can re-break its own high here, you may see it drive. If not, don't be surprised to see it range until this news. But I think news is going to give some decent trades today, so be watching all of these areas, like we gave on Tuesday. All the liquidity areas got hit very, very well. We had some nice Asia liquidity levels today, which I believe was like down here. Once you grabbed all these highs, Asia had much better moves than London today. Like, it's like a 40 tick move. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. So Asia had a, might have to start trading Asia again. Asia had way nicer moves than gold. That's so far, That's within what? About 1 a.m. till 3 a.m. So that's 2 hours. We're only 40 minutes into London as well. But yeah, one thing I am very strict on, and one thing I won't do on stream is just take trades for the sake of you guys taking trades. The amount of people who will be getting chopped up in here, and the amount of people who would have got chopped up in here yesterday would have been crazy. Whereas we did absolutely nothing in here. That's live. We had a buy stop here. It didn't get traded. We cancelled the buy stop. We didn't do anything in here, and we won't get chopped up in here. So 5 minutes just closed bearish there again. Let's have a look. I will keep looking at oil for the guy who asked about oil. We used to trade oil. Back since if you, oh, good man, all good. Yeah, you can kind of see oil is still holding this level. So if you were to get some shorts on oil, maybe once this 5 minute can break its low. Yes, yesterday I was also chopped up in that range. Yeah, it's easy to do. I used to get chopped up on 5-minute ranges, but that's why the high time frame is always the key on gold. So if you look at gold yesterday, the 30-minute was in this resistance and within this support. So you don't take any trades on that. You wait for the 30 to actually break out, and then you take the trade. You don't take anything in here, regardless of if the 5 minutes closing bullish, bearish, doesn't matter. If it's a 30 range, you need a 30 breakout. And then once it does break out, you had probably the cleanest of move I've seen all day. So you have your 30 support, your 30 resistance. Once it breaks out, grab some lows, amazing. Until then, a 5-minute bullish closure means absolutely nothing. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for stream if you guys got some value today. Haven't really taken much just yet. We're in this range, but you know, shared a lot of wisdom here for you guys. You guys on Zoom will be active for New York session today as well, because I think we're gonna have some decent moves. Some decent moves. Futures chart. What's tilt up to? So on looking at the top step tilt, DE40. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll have a look. I'll have a look. 61% people long right now on gold. 39% short. What's the symbol for that? Is it just that? Is it what, DE40? Germany 40. I don't know if I've ever looked at this. Daily. Overall very bullish. Yesterday closed bearish. Grabbing the highs. A very nice 4-hour resistance with some pretty nice. I don't know if it does. Like I said, I've never traded this before, but if it moves anything like gold, you've got some pretty nice levels down there to look to come and grab. Yeah. Is that what you're looking at? Close below the range. Yeah. You've wicked out all the highs, still closing back below. To see a push down is there. I think if this was gold, I would say absolutely. That's a lovely grab. Thank you for the free knowledge. Yep. No worries, Spence. Glad it helps, man. Glad it helps. Hopefully we can, we still got time here. Still like 15 minutes. If we start getting volume, I'll stay on for a little bit longer so we can see if we can take a trade together. But yeah, right now, you can look on the futures on gold. It's doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, I think if you were looking for this, you would want to see, because you've just grabbed, and this is like, if this was gold, you'd be on for an amazing trade here. You just wicked out the highs, you close back below here, you have this whole entire downside to play, which is a very, very nice move. Very, very nice move.
About a conversation I'm having with my mate. He's proper no interest in crypto ever. He's just asking me if he buys Bitcoin $1,000 worth at 73,000, he goes to 72,000. Do I just lose all my money?
Oh my god, man.
I'm trying to explain it to him, and I'm like,
fucking hell.
Don't be buying Bitcoin now. I was like, I just don't know what to say, you know.
Oh man.
I'll give you a phone call. Send me a text. I'm not replying to any more messages. Just give me a call or have a chat.
Sometimes you can't tell people like that in crypto. And I've had like family members say it before. And I try and tell them like, no, don't fucking buy Bitcoin at all time highs. They don't want to listen. They want to do what they want anyway. It's fucking difficult. Telling someone not to buy Bitcoin at all time highs, like, oh, what if it goes to 100? It's like, yeah, well, what if it fucking dips like 50%?
100%. I just watched a video for 20 minutes. It was like the power of actually taking profits, and this
Yeah.
He goes, you know, someone will sell some at 50k and then see it go up another 10 grand, and they won't appreciate the 50k they have.
Yeah, 100%.
I felt guilty to that in 2020. We were like, I made a lot, and threw back 80%.
Yeah.
I will go back up. You know, but
100%.
it was a lesson I had to make myself.
Yeah, and that's the thing, man. Like on crypto, the technicals can be so fucking simple, and that's why it's just so much better just to dollar cost in as opposed to just buying and hoping for the best. You dollar cost in, like in crypto. The way you get successful at crypto is by increasing your holdings without putting in deposits like every other month. So it's like, you know, you take these moves up and you secure your profits. You take these moves up, you secure your profits, and you just keep buying more. And you just dollar cost average in, and before you know it. Whereas most people in crypto, they take this move up, they don't take profit, they're straight back down, they buy more. It's like you just keep putting in more and more money, but it's like your goal in crypto is to increase your holdings without depositing fucking like every other month. And like, you know, even the technicals on Bitcoin, you don't have to be a genius to see technicals on crypto. It's just so simple of just psychological levels. It's just 30,000, 40,000, like all these levels, you know, this grab, and you could have just bought off like 40,000 back up into like, even up into here, you've made like 50%. It's insane. But if you start buying Bitcoin now, your downside is the potential to come all the way back to 50. So it's like your downside is huge, like what, almost 30%, to hope that it's just going to continue to break all-time highs and just keep pushing it up. It's wild.
Like, just look at its past all-time highs. You only need to look left, 2 years.
Yeah.
They always correct.
Yeah.
Like, if I own Bitcoin, I don't would hold points now.
Nice.
Transfer money out, but
Yep.
like, people should be taking profits, sure.
100%, man. That's what I said. Like I was even when Bitcoin was last year, 21, breaking above 60,000, I was openly making YouTube videos, and it's still on my channel, of saying that you could easily see this correct all the way back down like 30-40% before pushing higher. But it's like, when we were here last year breaking above 60,000, everyone was like, nah, next 100k, next up 100k. It's like, it's not how the fucking markets move. It just moves in flows. Like it's just normal. You can see it's push up, and who knows, you'll probably see like this. It's just like, fuck, it's never just gonna break above 60,000 and just go to 100k just for no reason. It's just so stupid. And this pull down was amazing, and this is the time where everyone's like, nah, crypto's dead, no one's touching crypto. Back below what, 16,000, nah, dead. And then before you know it, oh my god, crypto's back alive, should I buy some now? It's like, no, you fucking idiot, you missed it. I just hate when I hate when people who know nothing about trading come into like crypto as a way to get rich quick and act like a know-it-all in a bull market. It's so frustrating.
As I say though, like, me made a lot in 2021 too, and I threw it all back. Like,
Yeah.
Took that expensive lesson for me to be like, oh, hang on, what's this? And that's why I do think the real houses now.
Mm-hmm.
I was lucky the other day to take some profits in the coin, went up 60%.
60%'s amazing, man.
That's in Gala. But just have a look at Gala USDT chart on the weekly. That's simple.
God, yeah, look at that. It's fucking beautiful. Look at that. What a breakout. It's huge, man. Oh my god, it's ridiculous.
And I got in at 035.
035, yeah, amazing. 035, yeah. Insane.
Just a little retest. It just broke out and retested on the daily.
So simple, man.
And just, yeah.
So simple. Actually, that's why I don't like get why people who know nothing about crypto want to buy. They want to buy a crypto coin that's valued at $70,000. Why the fuck do you want to buy a crypto that's valued at $70,000? It's absolutely insane. I can take great on
And
oil.
then you got the
Yeah.
other ones, like your grandparents and mums and dads who are like,
Yeah.
can't afford to buy a whole Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You know, they think they have to buy a whole one.
Yeah, where do I get it? Where do I get the one whole Bitcoin from? Does your strategy work good with NAS? Yeah, it does. Yeah, 2 of the guys took the buys on NAS this morning. Absolutely, it does. You technically be good on oil. Yeah, we used to trade oil a lot. I briefly keep an eye on oil, but yeah, I used to swing trade and give trades on oil for free quite a lot. You guys can go back and look at that in the Telegram. We had like a 20% month just trading oil or something ridiculous. Oil can move very nice as well. Yeah, you can use it on gold, use it on oil, use it on NAS. It works on all of them. The same principles. I just like the way gold moves more personally. I think gold's more consistent. Didn't you say Bitcoin will go to zero before this bull run? Nah, I didn't say Bitcoin will go to zero. If I did, I was obviously joking. It came down to like, to be fair, I thought we'd maybe tap into like 10k a little bit more. But where did you come down to? You came down to like, yeah, 15. But now when I was saying about here, I was saying just to come back down to like 45 to 40. Yeah, Bitcoin will go to zero soon. Bitcoin to zero by, I reckon, probably summertime. Bitcoin. Zero, if not into the minus, like oil did that time. When was the next gold run? Probably soon. You know, you're very likely going to see gold on the daily, like rinse all of these highs very soon. And you do also have news today, so I'm watching all of these previous daily highs on oil, on gold to be grabbed today, today or tomorrow. There's some very, very nice highs to grab. Look at this fucking doji candle on gold. Bias on gold. Nothing really. I'm just taking it for what it is. It's just sideways. My kind of plan is very simple. If we grab the highs, I'll go short down into this level. These are kind of my two liquidity levels. Whichever one gets hit, I will be taking the opposite direction. If we grab the lows, amazing. I'll look for break above and I'll go buy into the highs and vice versa. But as long as it's in the middle, fucking no, I just let it chill. I let it do its thing. You just react. And, you know, you after this session, you set your alerts above and below. Like I said yesterday, set your alerts above and below. Wait for it to break out. As long as you had some liquidity grabs, and then amazing, you take the trade. But you don't get chopped up in this. I hope you're good. Smash the likes. What's going on, Wayne? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. We're chilling. We're looking to get some gold plays, but haven't had any volume today, man. But we're good. I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing well as well. Buy gold. Is that financial advice? Sounds like financial advice to me. Yeah, I do like gold. Look at it on the daily chart, what I said earlier. It's insanely unlikely that gold is going to have a deep retracement back down here without grabbing all of these daily highs. So your pretty much target today on gold is, and same to the lows as well, but you're pretty much looking to buy up into all these highs, and then you may see that. Who knows? I don't really care what happens after that, but my trade will be to buy it up into all them highs. How large of a trade would it really take to make decent money off a move? Like, not a lot at all. Not a lot. If you trade, like I'm trading here 5 contracts today. If you catch 10 ticks on gold, if we just measure 10 ticks, which is a very small move on gold. We're day trading and scalping. If you catch 10 ticks on gold at 5 contracts, that's $500. So if you think that's decent money for you to take that 1 to 2 times a week, that's all you need. You measure that on gold. Once volume comes in and breaks out, it's absolutely nothing. You've already done it here today. It's just choppy. It's not worth it. The buys that we took, not yesterday, on Tuesday, here was 17. The sells that I gave that I closed early, that some of you guys held, was around, like what, 40? But you only need to make like, 20 ticks a day, 2 to 3 times a week, and get consistent with that, and you'll be able to scale eventually, especially on trading on top step. If you guys trade on like a 100k, 150, you can trade like 10 to 15 contracts, but you don't even need to trade that much. Just trade 5 and get consistent with that, and get consistent pulling out the consistent gains on gold. Then scaling is the easy part. You don't think it grabbed enough liquidity to go down? No, it hasn't grabbed any yet, man. It's left this double top, so I think anyone who's short here on gold is going to be in something like this. Ticks available this morning in Asia. Yeah, we had some amazing Asia sell levels planned today. I gave this on the market call this morning, which I'm going to be doing daily now, to come down and grab these lows here. So So you could have had some shorts today in Asia, you know, even if you just took this grab here and this break the low, that's like your 20. But yeah, these were the shorts we spoke about in Asia, and it ended up having a very, very nice move. You had like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal highs, grabs all the highs, breaks back below, and then what? You get 20 again, and just keeps pushing lower. Yeah, Asia had better moves than London so far. So we might have to do some London streams once they get into Australia winter. But my broker spread is 2 to 3 pips. Yeah, don't trade forex. Trade futures. That's the reason to not trade forex. Trade on a futures prop firm, or just trade on a futures account. Don't waste time with forex. It's bullshit. It's a waste of time. But yeah, if your broker spreads like 2 to 3 pips, well no, if you have a brokerage account, your spreads should be max 1 to 2. If you're getting charged 3 spreads. Let me have a look on my Blueberry account. What my spreads would be on gold right now. What, 1.8? So if you're trading on a broker that's giving you 3 pip spread, you need a new broker. But just trade futures instead. It's just fucking way better. You don't have to deal with spreads. Switch from forex top step this week. Good man, good man. You won't regret it. I wish we could get a position here so I can take a trade to you guys and show you how good the execution is. We haven't been able to get one just yet. What does 5 contracts cost? Depends on your stop loss. So I'll just give the example just because it's a trade that we've taken on stream. The trade on Tuesday was risking 7 ticks to make 17. So, fuck, I'm going to have to do some quick math here. What, $750 at 5 contracts? No. Wait, what? Oh, no, it's fucking less than that. I'm being stupid. Well, if you had it at 10, it would be 500. So whatever that is. It's what, $10 per contract per tick move. So 1 contract, $70. So 70 times 5. Should be able to do it quicker than that. $350. So $350 to make, yeah, there you go, to make 17. Your risk is dependent on each trade. Gold attempting to flip bullish. I know, I don't know. It doesn't. Honestly, it doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. I mean, yeah, you do have a little 30-minute double top. You start re-breaking highs. You just broken above this level, still retesting. What would your process be for entering a swing trade for this strategy? Would you wait for a retracement? Nah, I used to swing trade gold for like 4 years before I day trade like this. Just the same stuff, just on a higher time frame, you know, like these liquidity grabs and take the break of these highs, take advantage of these liquidity grabs, just 4-hour levels. Even here yesterday, breakout, there's your 4-hour push up. One of my best swing trades from last year was when we had that war news back in October, back in November, sorry. This is when we had the buys in Vietnam on gold up into all-time highs. Held this for like, what, November all the way up into, what, the 13th to like very start of December. As you could go see that on my Instagram story as well. But it's the same stuff. Goldie. $350 if it's not in profit. Yeah. Exactly, man. You lose 650. Not of your original balance note. You may have at risk whatever you're in profit. Yeah, absolutely, but not your. You don't lose more than your original risk, other than what's in profit. 15 has just closed there on gold, closed back bullish. I was about to say if you get an instant bottom wick, you may buy into these highs, but there it is. 30 just closed doji again, unfortunately, instant top wick. How much risk do you take to achieve 6% on funded account? Well, go back and watch the video I posted yesterday, man. Let me see if I can find it. I broke down the latest top step account that I passed, only trading 1 to 2 contracts using the Top Step X platform. I'll send it in here. You can go have a watch of this one, man. You have a watch after this. Why'd you move from swing scalp? Usually the other way for traders. It was towards the beginning of the C word back in 2020. I can't say it because I'll get banned for life. At the beginning of the C word, where the markets were very uncertain, swing trading became very difficult. So I then just kind of adapted to more intraday trading and trading the hourly. And then I just kind of started to figure out that I actually enjoyed the in and out moves. But yeah, it was mainly just the markets changed. And I was just enjoying getting in and out. I do think probably one day in my life I will go back to swing trading when I have like a family or other commitments. I still run swings in the background now, but I like knowing that I'm in and out. And I trade futures, so it's nicer. And trading on Top Step, I need to be in the in and out moves. But yeah, just personal preference, to be honest. But yeah, most people do go the opposite, actually. The reason I started swing trading is because I was learning to trade whilst being back in the UK, working a full-time job, and I thought the only way you could trade was to day trade, and it was literally impossible. So that's why I started swing trading. That's what allowed me to get the opportunity to actually sit here and day trade like this. But I still run swing trades. Do it live and in a New York session. Yeah, I would like to do New York sessions, man. It's just so late for me that I just don't have the energy to go on video. But we're starting to do, Alad in the community is starting to do some New York live streams, 1 to 2 times a week or something. So we're still active in Discord in the New York session. Just don't live stream for it. If I travel again and I go to a normal time zone, yeah, I'll definitely live stream New York a bit. Probably get more people tuning in, but I like London, to be honest. Even though it's range today and range yesterday, we still had trades on Monday and Tuesday. I do like London. I can manage my risk better. Do you backtest how often? Nah, I don't anymore. I used to backtest. I don't do it anymore. I would say don't backtest. Do simulation sessions. I used to backtest like every weekend for like 1 to 2 hours every single weekend. I don't do it anymore though. I need a break now. But yeah, if you wanna do it, yeah, do it on a Saturday or Sunday, but do a simulation session of the previous week. I think it's gonna be the best. Simulation sessions are far superior than backtesting. What time is it for New York session? New York session for me is 11:30 p.m. So by even 10:30, I'm like asleep. No, I'm not asleep, but I'm not. I don't know, maybe I just need to start getting up a little bit later. I just like my mornings. I could easily just get up later and trade later, but I like to be up early. Think about the next 5-minute break alone. I mean, it's not a bad idea because there's so much liquidity being built up here, because the amount of people that will be trying to sell gold right now and stops above that high will be huge. Are you in Australia? Yes, I am, man. I'm in Australia. I live in Australia for the time being. Yeah. The only thing is, if you take the buys, you just have to manage your risk at this resistance, because you could grab these highs and push down. You may grab these highs, but at this high, you at least have to manage your risk. And it's only like 6 ticks away. It's like, I think you're going to get a better trade that is going to give you more than 6 ticks. The shorts later on into these lows is going to give a much nicer opportunity. You're either looking for CPI to do this, or sorry, not CPI, PPI and unemployment claims, retail sales, or to do this. Either way, to grab a lot of these highs. At the time you sleep is 3 p.m. for me. Yeah, it is a late grind here. That's why I love London and Asia. Can I hold my sell on USD CAD? Let's have a look. I don't know. It depends where you're in from. If you're day trading, scalping, swing trading. When was the last time we looked at this pair? Back in November. Would I sell this pair? I mean, daily is just ranging. We have a lot of resistance up here. I would imagine anyone who is selling USD CAD is probably in something like that, looking for this big play down. So it depends what you're in, but I would imagine if you're going to see a push down, you're going to at least do that first. But it depends what you're in from and what your plan is. But I would imagine that that's a retail trap, stops just above that high. But it's just ranging. When I used to trade Forex, USD CAD was probably one of my most hated pairs. And I used to always trade it, and I used to always get screwed on it. Be looking at like, yeah, that, just in a bit of a range. Asia and gold. Nah, so I have my charts always set to London. So London time, I find Asia moves the best at like 1 a.m.-ish. 1 a.m. the volume starts to kick in. Like this is a great move down. This started at what? 1 o'clock opens, grabs the highs, closes back down, and has that lovely push, and then continues pushing for like into 2, 3 a.m. And Asia can give you your like 20, 30 ticks for the day. Like you even just could have sold this resistance here after grabbing these highs. There's your 25 ticks for the day. We had these lows pre-planned in Asia today, which got grabbed very, very well. Shorts from here would have been beautiful as well. Asia did actually move nice to London.
Recording stop.
I'll stop the recording, guys. We're just kind of chilling here for now. I'm just trying to see if I don't want to jump off and it gold starts to move like it always flipping does. If you re-break this high, you would have a nicer risk to reward, I believe. If this 5 could flip bullish, it's only 7 ticks. I could draw up here and be like, yeah, you know, could come up into here, but you do have to manage here. Nah, I said pump the markets. I'll drop a 1,000 lots in a second. As soon as we go off stream, I start stacking up the orders, and that's why the markets start moving when we jump off. We've stayed on today, and the markets haven't moved. But if I was to end the stream right now, all of a sudden we'd be doing this. Because I'm sitting there going, pump the markets. That's the 15. Grab the previous high. 30's got some. That's the hourly. Yeah, 30's got like what 1, 2, 3 highs here to come and grab. Like a triple top, equal highs there. So that's taking an hour longer. Yeah, I think we might have to. How long have we been on for? We've been on for what? How long? Like what, 2 hours or something? I don't know. Yeah, 2.5 hours. Fucking hell. Gold's done absolutely jackal. Looks like the big players are waiting for news. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. But whenever you guys do trade on your own and you see something like this, literally all you do is you set an alert here, and you set an alert here, and you just close your laptop and wait for the alerts to go off. That's pretty much what I do in the evening. I have my alerts set, and if it ranges and my alerts don't go off, I'm chilling. If my alerts go off, you know, I'll come back and look for a trade. Like if this was normal times, I wouldn't even be watching this right now. I'd be setting my alerts and just chilling. What, did I miss a question?
Right, sorry guys, I'm going.
All good, man. All good.
After I've been active, Christ.
Enjoy, man.
I'll zoom for the US session.
US session. All right, sweet, man. I'll be there.
I'll send in a link. Oh, you're going to be there,
Yeah, I'll join yours though, man. You do it. I'll join in the background. Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
I'll join, man.
So I'll see you guys at 12:30, is it?
Yeah, 12:30. We got the news, man. Yeah.
Sweet, okay, no worries.
Nice one, man. See you then. See you at New York.
Bye-bye.
See you, man.
Bye.
Large risk management, putting him into as well. It's hard to do alone. Yeah. Recommend someone who's lost between so many strategies and doesn't know what to do and what to follow. Well, that's the struggle of trading, I guess. I was in the exact same position, just went from strategy to course, and you get to a point where you have that much useless knowledge that you don't know what the fuck to do. And you got to take a step back and just find what works for you and what makes the most sense for you. Doesn't have to be my trade strategy, it can be anyone's strategy, but just find what makes sense for you. I traded other strategies. It's not that they didn't work. They just didn't really make sense to me. I had to find my own feet and what made the most sense to me and what I saw happen over and over again. So by the way we trade gold now, it's like our setups come up multiple times a day. and that's the way that we like to trade, like these liquidity grabs. But don't over confuse it. People these days have so much, so many complicated trading plans with so much bullshit drawn on their charts. You guys see in me, to execute a position, I literally have a dotted trend line and a breakout, and that's it. But I understand retail chaps, and that's the most important part, and that's what I like. I understand liquidity grabs, and I keep it simple. So just find what works for you, really. You know, you have to test some stuff out as well. Don't be afraid to test different strategies out, but don't strategy hop. But give something also enough time to know if it actually works for you or not. You kind of have to find that balance. Interesting, switching to futures too, but the trading drawdown is scary. Nah, you're pretty safe, man. If you manage your risk and you don't over position yourself, like on gold, for example. If you go for a 100k account, I'd say trade like 5 contracts and you'll have more than enough. That'll give you more than enough drawdown for the day. But yeah, the drawdown rules are different to FX. So you could argue tougher, but it's also so much easier to become funded. So it kind of has like, you know, its pros and cons. But the good thing about trading on Top Step is it's a one-step process to be funded. So you don't have to rush it. You don't have to go in with like, you know, 100k account, 10 contracts. Like just do it consistently and slowly. Like I'll show you, if you guys haven't already, I'll just show you the one that I did recently. And it's like, you know, so much cheaper as well. So it's like if you mess up on some, which you're gonna do, it's completely normal. You're not gonna fork out a fucking arm and a leg like these Forex firms, pay like $500 just to do the challenge. But if it takes you 2 months to pass, it's like in 2 months you're a funded futures trader, and you only costed you like what, $100 maybe, $200 max. Where's the funded one? Here. Where is it? Yeah, here. So this is the one that I did, and this is just, yeah, to do this one here is just trading 1 to 2 contracts, managing risk. Like my average losing trade was like $60, average winning trade was 127. Like, you know, 1 to 2 risk to reward, managing risk, good win rate, and just, yeah, consistency. I mean, this day was in fact, this was an aggro day because I was so close to passing. And that's not max contract, that's just across multiple trades. But like, say, losing day 13, 600, 80, 30, 500, 500, 1,000. So yeah, what risk to reward? 2.11. So you just manage your risk and just don't over risk. Like, you know, on a 50k account here, I could have traded like 5 contracts. I traded 2 to 3, no, 1 to 2 max. I don't trade anywhere near that, and that's just trading gold. Just trading gold and just managing your risk, and yeah, it's just, yeah. I understand that the drawdown rules are a lot tougher, but it's, yeah, like I say, also so much easier to actually become funded that it kind of is much more worth it. Just trade it consistently. Don't try and pass it overnight. Give it like a month. I guarantee you give it a month and you'll be funded. I can't guarantee you, but if you already got the plan down, you know, it's not that difficult. You guys have seen on my stories. You can go on my Instagram, check the funding section. The amount of people that have got funded with Top Step in Discord has been incredible. Just trading gold and managing risk.
Payouts coming through as well, which is epic.
Yeah. A few people getting payouts. One of the guys in Discord who's been in Discord since day one had like a $7,500 payout, which is fucking amazing. Someone else had a payout, what, Tuesday or something, I think. Five-minute back bearish there on Goldie. Price is always choppy. As soon as you finish the stream, it moves. I know. That's why I've decided today I'm going to stick around a little bit longer, and it's not moved. But I guarantee you, if I said, all right, we're done for the day, I'll come back later, we'll be up here. So either someone's watching this stream and waiting to pump the markets, or I don't know what's going on. We stayed on for an extra 15 minutes today, and we still ended up doing fucking nothing. It's always the way. And if I decide to go off now, yeah, it will all of a sudden start getting volume. So if we just pretend that we've gone off now. Volume? No? A little bit? There's a little bit of volume. Yeah, if we keep pretending to go off, the volume might kick in. Call me a conspiracy theorist, but it sounds pretty legit to me. Well, people just dropped off there. I did it for like a second, everyone all of a sudden just left the stream. But yeah, one trade for me today, guys. One trade, small little loss, but very well managed risk. So the trade that we took, where's it gone? I don't know where it was gone. We took very start of the stream. We took this little play like this, looking for this. Managed it at like -6 ticks. Oh, actually, volume's starting to pick up here. All of a sudden, we pretend to go off. Do you do New York live streams in the mentorship? I don't host them personally, but Aladdin community does, and I'm active in New York session, sharing the liquidity levels. Yeah, I don't zoom it though personally, but we do share all the levels and the trade setups in the channels. Just don't go on Zoom me personally, but Aladdin the community is hosting Zooms as well now, and we'll be live today for the news. But does your strategy change once you're funded, or you stick to it? Nah, nothing changes, man. Nothing changes. Absolutely the same thing. Consistency. And it doesn't matter if you trade it on futures or you trade it on Forex. I did a FTMO last month or the month before, 100k account, which I actually need to sign some documents. I actually haven't got around to it. Where is it? Where's the challenge? And this was more so trading higher time frame as opposed to scalping. Where is it? Oh, in February. Trading forex again? Nah, I'm not trading forex. It was just trading this on higher time frame, because obviously on futures you can't. Oh, look, there's the volumes picking up here on gold. On futures you can't trade higher time frame, but this was me just trying to trade. I'm actually gonna see if we're gonna get a trade here. The like 30-minute and higher, and that was what we did on FTMO. But yeah, now my priority and focus is the future. So we're gonna get a trade here on gold. What do we have into the lows? Retails are making bank on these shorts.
They have to win every once in a while, or they're not going to keep putting their money in for us to take.
Yeah, that's true. That is true, man. What's the date today? 14th, yeah, 14th today. How is it today so far? What time is it? 15, yeah. Five's closed nice and bearish here. If we open with an instant top wick, you know, we still could scalp this down into the lows. Try strategy style. You managed to risk your losses small and your straight win rate. Gonna join join the membership. Yeah, absolutely, man. Just keep joining into the live streams, man. They're free. I haven't taken a trade today, but you know we had a trade on Monday and Tuesday. So even if you want to go back and watch that one, you get a lot of value. What, 49% people long, 51% people short. Still pretty 50-50 here, but that is a nice push down. Yeah, retail's making bank off that resistance. Actually gonna sound until you said the retail is probably gonna do something. Then I cancelled. Hey, that's not my fault. I got you, man. I'll send you. I'll donate some. Lots of orders on Bookmap at 71.5. Nice, man. Where's that 71.5? Yeah, nice. That's right below that support as well. Yeah, that's good to know. So 5-minute instant top wick here on gold. I really want to sell this, but can we sell it just based off one 5-minute bearish close, considering what we've done for the past fucking however long? I don't know, but this is volume starting to pick up here. Yeah, and you got them orders on Bookmap as well. Nice spot, man. If I do take it, it will be I think I'll probably go half risk. Half risk sell stop on the break of the 5 low. I don't think it makes sense to go full risk with what we've done previously. And you'll basically manage the trade if it doesn't close bearish with good volume. If it pushes down and just kind of goes doji, you can just look to cut it. I haven't put it in just yet. I'll tell you when I put it in. Volume starts because you put the live stream to end. Yeah, let's try again. See if we can push down. Grabbing previous 5-minute highs here. Yeah, it did. Literally just looking at the fucking same thing. You did just do that. It's fucking crazy, man. Yeah, previous 1 hour low taken as well. Yeah, good spot. Yeah, where's that? Yeah. Fucking hell, man. You're gonna start closing bullish? Yeah, see, now I'm like, you guys are talking me out of this, but no, it's true. It's good to be aware of that. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm just drawing it up. I'm just gonna forward test this. I don't think it makes too much sense to trade this. Watch this be the move that now dumps on gold. I'm just forward testing this. I'm not gonna take it. It doesn't make sense. I mean, it does, but the volume doesn't. Just so anyone doesn't take it, we're not in sirs. Looking to go long if the orders grabbed. Yeah, I am very much bullish today on gold. Once we grab these lows up into all of these high, oh shit, you can do that if you want to. All into these highs up here. Once we grab these lows, yeah, I'm bullish on gold, wicking out a lot of these highs today. A lot of these highs. 5-minute gap below from yesterday's demand zone. Nice. I said yesterday I passed my third 150k combine, so I have 350s. Now, okay, what's the best book map to purchase? To use my trading? Not which best package? Did you use Bookmap to pass your account? I soon, if you guys do want to use Bookmap, I soon am going to start live streams of just Bookmap running gold in like the New York sessions. I'm hoping to have it up tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, next week, where I will do separate live streams, not of me. Did a cheeky picture? Did he? I missed it. What the fuck? You motherfucker, I got a picture of me. Yeah, I'm going to do some live stream soon of just Bookmap Gold running in the New York session. So you guys can just watch that for free if you want. Like I say, I hope to have it up tomorrow. Tomorrow or next week. Reasoning I was considering the shorts. Let's see him now. Wait, what the fuck? Where? Oh, like right in the background? I thought you were like, I can't see it. It's too small for me. What the fuck? Get him signed up to the community. 50-50 on commissions. So the reason I was looking to take the shorts is because we were getting some nice volume, and I have this downside support target here where I'm looking to short gold into. Either looking to short gold into there or buy gold up into there. He wants signals. Yeah, he wants the signals. Use Bookmap to pass as well. I believe it more better entries. They're gonna need it, but it's nice to have. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah. I have the where is it? I have the premium. Where is it? Pricing. So I have the global. It depends. Oh yeah, you have to have the global. Wait, what do I have? Do I have global? Yeah. You probably need global because on the other ones you only get crypto, but this is you want it for futures. Yeah, you want it for futures. So you need to pay the $39 a month would be good. I will actually give me a second. I may have a discount code for you. Let me see. I don't know if I have it, but I used to have one. I think you can get it for cheaper or something. Where is it? Here. I think I had a code. Trade gold and NQ and forex pairs. Yeah, then you probably want the global one, I reckon, man. So if we were in this, we'd be looking to get out of this at pretty much tiny loss or trying to break even. So we kind of staying patient, paid off there. Wait for this 30-minute close, and then we'll plan out some levels and call it, I think. We'll wait for this to close. So should give you a little cheeky discount, but I'm looking to have mine set up to stream probably tomorrow. A lot of bookmarks really help me not taking trades in the wrong areas, but also bright extra confidence that I'm in trade. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's good. And it's good, yeah, it's good, especially when you can identify liquidity like this. And if you see you got orders down here in the book map, it's like, yeah, cool. There's even more confidence for price to come and grab these highs or lows. Yeah, if we were in that, we'd be looking to probably cut that at the bottom wick. Came for it, trading 9 years. Nice, man. Nice. Futures 3 weeks ago. Amazing. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. 9 years of Forex into futures. That's amazing. You got kind of 1, 2, 3, 5 minute equal lows here. I mean, if this 5 could flip bearish, it wouldn't be bad. As long as you don't break that high. Nice one, man. Enjoy. See you then, man. I think I'm going to go get some dinner soon in a second as well. Just going to wait for this 30 minutes to close. See how this 30 is looking. Global Plus, yeah. Yeah, grabbing 30 lows with some 30 highs. It really is any man's game on Goldie right now. Do you get a paid version of TradingView? Yes, you do, yeah. Get the paid version of TradingView on Top Step X, so I can even look at the 1 second chart right now if I really wanted to. Not that I want to, but you can go on the 1 second chart. You can look at absolutely everything. Fuck, that 1 second chart is crazy. Anyone trade the actual fucking second chart? Is nuts. I can't even trade the fucking 1 minute chart. If that passenger combine, nah, it doesn't, Brian. Nah, I'm on a separate one here, man. I'm on another one now, man. I don't know why I haven't had it yet though. No, I can't actually, like, that one doesn't actually even come up in my Top Step X anymore. Like when I click on my account, that one doesn't actually even come up anymore. Let's get rid of these. So, plan for news is gold to grab all of these highs. Now, if we grab these highs before the news, then you may be looking for this to sell off. And if we can grab these lows and then grab the highs, that would be amazing. But my plan of action today on gold is for us to keep pushing up into these highs here. These highs here are very nice. And remember, you also have all of the daily highs to grab on gold. That 4 hour low is going to get grabbed as well. If you're going to see the push up into all of the daily highs, you're very likely going to re-grab that low. But yeah, grab some lows, buys on gold up into all of these daily highs. I would be looking at a minimum for you to get buys into yesterday's high at least today. So yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. We stayed on for an extra half an hour, hoping that, you know, we may get something when we usually jump off. But unfortunately, there's not. Since we jumped on here, we've just gone absolutely sideways. We've stayed patient. We haven't forced anything. And you guys on Zoom, I will join Aled for the New York live stream in about 2-3 hours, maybe, for that news. We'll see how the news goes. But yeah, 3 hours. Yeah, cool. Thank you, man. Yeah, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go, and we'll catch up closer to New York. See you guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. Nothing today, unfortunately. A minor little loss, which if you guys want me to recap, I will. But same time again tomorrow. We've had a trade on Monday, Tuesday, not yesterday, today. Fund coupon Friday might just be the one. So don't blow up on news. I'll see you guys again, same time tomorrow, 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. London time. Trade the news safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.